Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Init-Film on your PC, and we're going to be showing you how to use it by setting up a basic project. The install process has changed since version 1.1.0, so this is the updated tutorial. The install process can change in the future, so check our YouTube channel to see if there's maybe an updated tutorial. First, make sure you have installed Python. That's really important as the project is written in Python. We can go to the install instructions and download the latest supported version of Python for the project. Then we can scroll down and download the right installer for your OS. For Windows people, most of you will need the Windows installer 64 bits. So we can download that. Run the file. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe, that's really important, and add python.exe to path. Then we can install Python, and then we can close the installer, close everything, and restart our PC. And after restarting your PC, you can open the GitHub page again. We can scroll down again to the installation instructions, and this will say that we have to download the repo by using git clone, but for this tutorial we're going to keep it simple and we're just going to download the zip folder from the releases section. Here you can find the different versions, so if there's a bug in the current version you can always download a previous version. But we're gonna install the latest version. We're gonna download the source code in a zip or a tar.gz file. That's mostly for Linux people. We're just gonna download the zip folder, and then we can extract it wherever we want. I'm gonna just put it in my downloads folder. We can go into this folder, and then we're gonna watch our installation instructions again. The installation process has been made very easy since the last version. We just have to use pip install dot to install the script. How do we do it? We can open a terminal by right-clicking and somewhere here finding open terminal. That will work in Windows, macOS, Linux, etc. In most file explorers, but on Windows we can also just type cmd in the address bar, and this will open a command prompt as well. So, as instructed, we just have to type pip install dot, and this will install the script just fine. We got an error saying that our pip version is out of date. You can run this script to update pip, but for now I'm gonna skip it. And I'm gonna show you how to use the script. So let's say I want in my videos folder, here I'm gonna start a new project. I'm gonna open my terminal again by typing cmd, and the only thing I have to do to run the script is type init-film, and this will start the script. Now it's gonna ask us for a project name. I'm gonna use tutorial, and important is that it's also noted in the documentation, you can't use spaces. You have to use underscores, dashes, dots, whatever you want, but you can't use spaces because that will mess up the program. So, for example, tutorial, then it's gonna ask us some folders we need. I'm gonna want project files, gonna need some assets, footage, audio, and an export folder. We hit enter. Then it's gonna ask us what project files folders we need. So that's making a folder. You can see that in your file explorer tutorial. So it's gonna make all the folders, starting with the project files, and it's gonna ask us what folders we want in here. So let's say my project files, I'm gonna edit in Premiere Pro, color grade in DaVinci Resolve, maybe do some After Effects graphics, some Photoshop thumbnails, maybe some VFX in Blender even, an audio mix in Pro Tools, soundtrack in Ableton, etc, etc. You can also type custom folder names, like I'm making my scripts in Final Drafts, so I can type Final Drafts, and I'm gonna make a Final Draft folder. For assets, maybe I need logos and graphics. Let's say I want my graphics folder as number 1 and logos as number 2. I'm gonna put it in the other direction because this works chronologically. It's first gonna make my logos folder, then the graphics folder. So now it's gonna make first the graphics folder and then the logos folder. Gonna hit enter for footage, raw, graded, and a VFX folder, and for audio, I'm gonna select them all. Voila. Preview, master, deliverables, sure. And then the code exits. We can exit out of CMD, and we have our complete folder structure. Voila. Let's say I want to uninstall Init-Film, then we can go back in the installation folder, or you can re-download it from the releases if you remove the installation folder. And the only thing we have to do is go again in our command prompt or terminal or whatever and run python uninstall.py, and this will remove all the script files and folders from the right place. So there you go, that is how you install Init-Film on your PC, how you use it, and how you uninstall it. If you want to support this project and my other projects, you can find a Buy Me a Coffee link on the GitHub page and in the description down below. I would appreciate that very, very much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.